In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Amazon Music Unlimited. We'll walk through the exact places to click on Amazon's website, explain what you'll see on each page, and share a few tips so you don't miss anything. I recommend using a desktop browser for the clearest view, and make sure you're signed into the Amazon account that's billed for your Music Unlimited plan. First, go to Amazon.com in your browser. If you're not already signed in, click Sign In at the top right and enter your credentials. Once you're on the homepage and signed in, move your mouse to the top right over Account and Lists. Don't click yet, just hover. A large drop-down menu will appear. If you're on a phone or tablet, the layout looks different. Tap the menu icon, choose Account, then look for Memberships and Subscriptions. You may also need to switch your browser to desktop mode to see the same options we're using here. From that drop-down, click Memberships and Subscriptions. This opens a page that gathers all the memberships and subscriptions tied to your account. Here, take a moment to review what's listed. You should see Amazon Music Unlimited in the list if your plan is active on this account. You'll typically see the plan, type, the renewal date, and the current price alongside it. Click the Amazon Music Unlimited entry, then select Cancel Subscription. Amazon may show a few screens asking you to confirm, offering discounts, a plan switch, or a pause instead of cancel. Read carefully and keep choosing the options that confirm cancellation. In many cases, you can end at the next renewal date, which lets you keep listening until your current period expires. When you finish, look for a final confirmation message and to check your email for a receipt of the change. Back on memberships and subscriptions, the status should show that it will end on a specific date. If you don't see the subscription listed, make sure you're signed into the right Amazon account. If you subscribed through a mobile app store, you may need to cancel there instead. That's it. You've navigated to Amazon.com, hovered over Account and Lists, opened Memberships and Subscriptions, found Amazon Music Unlimited, and selected Cancel Subscription. Keep an eye on your renewal date, and remember you can resubscribe anytime if you change your mind. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cancel smoothly without any surprises.